Curve.
Number 3, nagmamadali 2 points by number 3. Okay, 4.
Bang, bang.
Okay, 6. Number 2. Pinasa number 23. Number 23 is good. Score 0-8. Okay, may pinasa kay Marty. No good. Ang ganda nung back out nun. Tumira number 7. Munti ka na pero nakuha ni Marty. Marty to Mel. No good. Alam mo. Okay, no good. Nakuha niya. No good. Ang sipag po din nasa offensive rebound. 3. Score 0-11. Both teams may dalawang timeout. Wala pa lang magamit ng timeout simula kanina. Okay, kublete. No good. Okay, pinasakit number 7. Sinet ang bola. Okay, loose ball. Kitang-kita yun, loose ball. Robert, nireceive ang bola. Iniingat ka ng isang kublete. Pinasakit. Okay, Mel. 3.
Dolong turo pa siya.
Score 3-13.
Huwag mo lang siya pag sa dulo lagi tumitira sa ron eh.
Okay, no good. Maalam po sila. Number 7. Ang ganda ng pasok mo. Number 3 is 2. Score 3-15. Robert, binasa kay 23, ang ganda po ng pasahan. Lumipad si number 2. Score 3-19. Okay, foul po na daw, foul. No good. Number 23, Marky, no good.
Pinali pa, sayang.
Oh! Grabe, Ginolibin. Mahaba pa po oras natin to worry, regular. Ang ganda mo ng masahan, no good. Okay, 2 points. Score 5-21. Counted. Score 7-21. Number 2, 3 points. Score 7-24. Nice by Robert. Okay, hold up, wow. Okay, pa-pressure team regulars. May second half. Need ko lang ng momentum. Okay, Marky, 3. Mukhang 3-point king of the game si Marky.
Nice pass.
Napagkanapan si Robert. Robert, teardrop is good. Mukhang kumakayod na po sila ng unti-unti na. 14-24, 10 na lang. Okay, number 3. No good. Nakuha ni Kublete. Kublete, pinasa kay Robert. Robert to Marky. Marky, sinayaan yung puti. Okay, counted. Okay, Steve. Mel. Mel, ang ganda ng pasa. 2 points by Miles. Score 16-26. Ang kulang ha, ang kulang. Steve. Pero ako na nakakampi. Number 23. 2 points. So sila ang ating 2 volley first half pa lang po yan. Okay, kickball. Kickball, labas muna. Kickball, dito po bola. Kickball. One minute, 24 seconds. 14 to shoot. Okay, backcourt. Labas muna. Inyong bola, pero backcourt.
Malamang. Kalaban?
12 na po yan. Kung po kayong backcourt. No good. Number 2, no good. Nakuha ni number 23 at sipa po ng team Asgo. No good. Nakuha ni Pumlete. Mel.
Uy! Ayaw.
Okay, number 3. Bola. Same ball. Last touch by Miles. 52 seconds, 19 to shoot. 52 seconds, 19 to shoot. Okay, same ball. 13 seconds na, 13 seconds. 2
pass.
points. Score 16-30.
Sayang.
Mukhang nakasama yung chicken skin.
Kaya pala may suka dito. Hinay blood.
Okay, last touch by number 2, 32 seconds. 32 seconds. Robert, munti ka na. Pero Miles to the rescue. Munti ka na rin. Last 24 seconds. Pasok pala yun, 2 points. Last 17 seconds, last 17. Still by number 23. Last 11 seconds. Mel, 2 points. Last 4 seconds, last 4 seconds. 2 seconds. And okay. Change coil, 18:34. Okay, back to the ball game. This is a po ang hinahabol ng team regulars. Sampu yung bola ng kanina.
Di ba yun?
Laban po ng this is sa isang team Asbok. Okay, pinasa kay number 7, pinasa tumira long 2 pero long nakakuha ni Martin Tunel. Meron nawala ang bola. Okay, lifting na po. Wait po, labas na. Naipit po, naipit. Unintentional man yung ginusto niya, pero lifting pa rin yun. Jason, no good. Okay, Tumel. 2 points by Robert. Okay, kinasa. Nakita si number 3, tumira. No good. Oras, 6 minutes, 40 seconds. Number 7, pinasa kay number 2. No good. Nakuha ni number 23. No good.
Sayang.
Okay, last touch by number 3. 12 seconds to shoot. Last touch by Mel. Para natatakot ang team regulars. Hinga lang po kayo ng malalim.
Nice one.
Nice shot by Robert. 12 po ang laman ng team Asbok. No good, nakuha ni number 23. No good. Nakuha ulit ni number 23. No good pa rin. Si Poblete to the rescue. Okay, call down. Nakita si Robert. Robert. No. Nakuha ni number 2.
Ito pa.
Grabe, nakasanap rebound number 2. 4 minutes 50 seconds. Kaya pa pong mabaliktad yan. Robert. Jason Miles.
Bang! Shot!
Yan. Makikita ko naman ni Spark si Mel. Score 36-24-12. Number 23. Counter. Grabe, every time na makakasya dito regular may sagot. Bola, good. Two points. 40-24, this is Alice. Nakalang na yan. Medyo nagtatayt lang ang balita. Okay, game 4. 12 seconds.
Shot!
7 seconds. When 40-28, 12. Malapit pa sa laban natin 12. 12 seconds to shoot. Pinasa kay number 7, number 7. Pinasa kay number 33, tumira. 3.
Tumalbog pa.
Magaling na, may swerte ka. Forty, 30-43. Eight seconds to shoot. 3. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Tumira. Okay. 2 minutes, 8 seconds. Tumira. No good. Nakuha ni Robert, pinasa kay Mel. Nauna talo. One minute, 50 seconds. Kaya pa yan. Forty-eight, 30. Two points. 50-30. 1 minute, 19 seconds. One minute, 10 seconds. Pinasa pa kay number 7. Tinan ka ni number 7. 3. 53-30. Marky. No good. Last 40 seconds. Tumira, no good. Last 18 seconds. 3. Grabe, parang naglalaro lang po sa Tom's World. 8 seconds. Okay, game ball.